I'm really bored. It's already 5 a.m. and I spend all this time scrolling. I need to stop these apps, but I'm addicted to it. Maybe it's over. Substack? Maybe he's the solution for my doom scrolling.
Substack has quietly become one of the most influential platforms in independent publishing. Built for writers, journalists, and creators, it offers a simple idea. Publish directly to your audience without depending on traditional media gatekeepers or social media algorithms. At its core, Substack combines a newsletter, a blog, and a subscription model. Creators write their work, readers subscribe, and in many cases, supporters pay to access premium content. What makes Substack powerful is not just the technology, but the relationship it creates between writer and reader. Instead of chasing clicks, creators can build a direct, loyal audience around their voice and ideas. For many independent writers, Substack represents something bigger than a platform. It represents control, ownership, and a new way to turn writing into a sustainable business. In simple terms, Substack is where creators publish directly, grow their audience, and earn from their work.